काय कसं काय तुम्ही काय मी काय we all have only one problem today. ये कोरोना आंटी ने हमें मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं रखा है कि नहीं?
Sure.
और आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं एक ब्रिलियंट शो और आपका होस्ट आपका दोस्त और अभी मैं हूं गोस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हु आई एम. डू यू नो हु आई एम? ये वीडियो देखो और याद करो मैं कौन हूं.
हवाओं में बहे घटाओं में रहे तू बरखा मैं तेरा पागल दिया जो तेरे न हुए किसी के न रहे दीवानी तू मेरी मैं तेरा पागल दिया हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है एक राजा और हीर जैसी न जाने ज़माना क्यों चाहे रे पिया पिया पिया
रही न रही हम महका करेंगे बन के गले बन के सबा बागी वफा में रही न रही हम. मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बन के रहेंगे हम के रामा. चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी खिजाओं या बहारे यूं ही चूमते और खिलते रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागी वफा में रही न रही.
सो फ्रेंड्स, आपने वीडियो अब तक देख लिया होगा, पहचान लिया होगा हम कौन है. या आई एम हिमाली चंद्राना. Tonight presenting this program for you with our Nausheel Hansraj today. Nausheel,
Now that you already disclosed who I am, let me remove this mask off. Anyway, please. My name is Nausheel Hansraj. I'm an architect. For those who know me and those who don't, and those who know me and those who've forgotten, please remember me. As I was just saying, we're really ravaged with Corona. And in these times, we've been watching movies, sitting on Netflix, listening to music, trying to play the guitar, explore some talent which you already have. And there was one more league happening, if you don't know about it, was IPL, Indian Premier League. But bad luck, the bubble burst, Corona went in, the league shut down. But the brilliant guys in our car Gymkhana had an ace up the sleeve. You know what they did? They came up with something called the Car Gymkhana Talent League, where you could explore your hidden talents and show it off. And the platform was given to us by our very own Car Gymkhana. Brilliant concept. You could sing, you could dance, you could do some mimicry like play an instrument. क्या बोलते हैं हिमाली?
That's true. Why
Yeah.
don't we call Vikas online to just?
Yeah, that was actually, it was a brainchild of Vikas Kelkar.
Yeah.
Brilliant guy. And he's put this on and given all you guys such a lovely platform to play on. Thank you.
Let's hear Vikas.
Dear friends, greetings to you all. Kharjam Khana has been our second home and the go-to place for good health and recreation. While the successive lockdowns were necessary, they were not easy on any of us. While we were working and studying from home, we felt socially and emotionally disconnected. So the question was, how can we all get together and have some fun from the safety of our homes? And that's when the idea of KGTL was born. We received an overwhelming response of 80 plus entries to our online talent form, and all the performances were simply too good. Over to you, Purnima.
Hi everyone, this is Purnima Lakhiani. I am the event programmer, marketing head and editor for Kharjam Khana's Talent League. So guys, my journey began on 10th of April when Vikas came out with the idea of having a Kharjam Khana Talenthon with 4 events and 4 different age categories. The enthusiast in me couldn't control her excitement. I quickly gave him a call and said, hey Vikas, let's have a separate category for the senior citizens and let's give it a fancy name like Kharjam Khana's Talent League. It has been a roller coaster 2 months since then. From last minute YouTube links to convincing members, participate, try to karo. It has been crazy. The excitement feels like you're on the top of the world. Whereas the deadlines, let's not talk about it. You actually feel like screaming from the bottom of your soul. But it has been an extremely amazing journey. One that is filled with excitement, exhilaration, fun and pure heaven. Let's talk about the results, the happiness on everyone's faces. The members are so happy, the response. All of this has actually made it worth it. Somewhere along the way, I got my dear friend Pooja Boyer also to be part of Kharjam Khana's Talent League. Let's hear how her journey has been. Pooja, over to you, my dear.
Hi everyone, this is Pooja Boyer here. Content, evaluation and creative support. The journey for me began when I first saw the brochure for the KGTL. I immediately called up my friends and jumped in with various ideas to help them that I had gathered over the years. Little did I know that I'm going to be sharing the same space with them. I have always had a keen interest in event planning, but I never pursued it. Again, the lockdown forced us to stay at home and limit our activities. KGTL has been a perfect work from home experience for me. Waking up to enlist the judges, to design and plan the results of the show, to coordinating and helping the show host, oh, I've had a time of my life. And moreover, the appreciation and the response that everybody has given me has left me spellbound. I hope everyone has good time tonight. Over to you, Noshil. Bye.
So we heard Vikas and his team, and we saw the efforts they are taking to put up this online talent show. There are many singers who are singing for the first time on this platform.
Yeah, sure. Brilliant.
And different forms of singing. They are singing classical, they are singing ghazal, they are singing bhajans. So it's a really, really beautiful.
Lovely mix.
Yeah.
For this event, we have 4 brilliant, talented, extremely good judges for judging the people who are going to perform tonight. First one of them being Sharmila Shah. She's an excellent singer, excellent performer. She's done a few shows even in Kharjam Khana. I've been witness to it, and it was a lovely show on the New Year's Eve. She has been training under Balapuriya ji of Gawalia Gharana since the last 25 years. She's won a numerous amount of awards, and she knows how to tap good talent and get her into her shows. Have you heard of Himali?
Yeah, she's brilliant.
Okay, great.
Hello everyone. My heartiest congratulations to you all for participating in this competition. जब मोरी चादर बन घर आई जब मोरी चादर बन घर आई रंग रेज को दीनी चदरिया रंग रेज को दीनी ऐसा रंग रंगा रंग ने ऐसा रंग रंगा रंग ने के लालो
Now I would say the next judge, I want you to introduce him, Ali. Go ahead.
Definitely. The next judge for our program is Shefali Saxena. She's a very multi-talented lady. I must say, she's a trained Kathak dancer and an Hindustani vocal music learner also. She sung many varieties of songs like Bollywood, amalgamated retro, Sufi songs, and she's been nominated and been awarded for Performer of MC Year of 2020. She has performed at national events in presence of President, Prime Minister and many cabinet ministers.
Wow,
and I must say she has electrifying stage
presence.
presence.
Brilliant.
Hello, all the lovely contestants of Kharjum Khana Club. This is Shefali Saxena, and I hope that each one of you is doing well and in high spirits. I'm honored to be on board judging this singing contest, and I must say I thoroughly enjoyed watching all of you.
बरखा सदाए आजा सवरिया बली बली जाओ काहे बिहारो तन मन मारो तुझे पर जाओ खन खन कंगना खन के मोरी पायलिया चल चल विद्या चम चम गोरी छम छम नाचे सज के सवर के
The third judge for this evening is a brilliant singer, brilliant performer. He's our local Mumbai boy, the rock star, Hamare Umar ka rock star boss. You know him? Brilliant singer, very nice. He grew up in Mumbai, was a part of the city's rock show group, and has been singing in regional singing, has been doing singing in films, and done a lot of other stuff like Indian and Western classical. Now he's based in USA. He's doing stuff in Los Angeles. And he's got a lovely group called Rusty Rickshaws. Brilliant name. And he's doing a lot of shows. He's done more than about, I think, 800 to 900 shows. That's a brilliant amount of body of work which he's got. And he's going to judge our lovely talent from Kharjum Khana. So proud. Brilliant.
Introducing Sandeep Kulkarni.
Hey everyone, this is Sandeep Kulkarni from the United States. I am from Oceanside, California, which is a nice little town in between Los Angeles and San Diego. I'm a singer-songwriter. I'm also a lead vocalist for a band over here in LA. I'm super excited to be on Kharjum Khana's platform over here. I'm looking forward to listening to all the beautiful singers. Thank you for inviting me. All the best, everyone.
सुनो किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत खूब मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरे महबूब सुनो किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत खूब मना करे दुनिया लेकिन छलक जाता है जो पैमाना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है
Tonight is Raman Dua. She learns and she sings from childhood. She's a wonderful singer and she's taken a formal training from T-Series.
Wow, amazing.
And she's soon coming up with her own song and recording, a new video about it.
Oh, lovely.
And she's also taken classical training from Guru Nitesh Singh Ji.
Nitish. All right. Good. Very good.
That's really nice.
Excellent.
And I must tell you, she contributes back to the society.
Hi everyone, I am Raman Dua and I'm a singer, come artist, come teacher by profession.
We are really fortunate to have these great,
lovely,
judges
brilliant, talented judges, and
with
I'm
us.
sure you're going to love the way they judge it. That's going to be great. To start the proceedings for tonight, we're going to start out with the age group between 5 to 12 years. All the young, very talented, brilliant kids which we have in Kharjum Khana. Everything in this universe starts with one word, that's home. And we have Shivom to start the proceedings tonight. What do you
He's
talk
singing
about?
a Shiv Stotra with a Shiv Bhajan, and must say he's just 6-year-old.
Wow.
Let's enjoy his performance.
Brilliant.
Shivom Rao.
Great.
जटाट पीगलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकाम् शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शम्भो डम डम डमरू बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे डम डम डमरू बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे हर गौरीनाथ शंभो हर साईनाथ शंभो हर गौरीनाथ शंभो हर साईनाथ शंभो कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयालविन्दे सदा वसन्तं हृदयालविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शम्भो
Hi Shivam, it was such a great pleasure listening to you. You sang very well without any support of any music, and your pronunciation at your age were very good. You have a lot of enthusiasm and your sense of rhythm is also very good. Keep it up. All the best.
Wow, what a lovely performance.
It was
Great.
amazing.
For the second person for tonight, we have a lovely little young girl, an angel. And she brings back a lot of memories for me itself, actually. And one good thing about this platform is it's not only Hindi or Bollywood, it's also English.
Exactly.
So it's giving a lot of talent, pool to our Kharjum Khana people to see also.
She just 7 years.
Yeah, this girl is only 7 years old and she's singing a lovely song and it brings back memories for me itself. Because I started my singing in my 4th standard and sang an English song and I won a competition. This is one of the memories I got back
Yeah,
from
and
there.
it's
Please
from a
listen
pop
to it.
band,
Brilliant.
Maroon 5.
Wow.
What else do
amazing.
you want? So let's hear this rocking performance from Anaisha Thadani.
Great, I'm looking forward.
Here's to the ones that we got. Here's to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Here's to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Those to the ones here today. Those to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I fell on all the ages with the powerful stuff. Oh yeah, now my heart feel like an ember and it's lining up the door. I'll carry these torches for ya that you know I'll never drop. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Oh, cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Those to the ones here today. Those to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
Hey Anaisha, this is Sandeep. Listening to your song Memories by Maroon 5. I loved it. You did amazing. I love your tonal quality. I love your energy. And it's so amazing. You're so little and you're singing this song. You know, I had to actually go and, after listening to your song, I had so many memories. I had to go and listen to the original song. So thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for singing such a beautiful song. You know, keep singing a lot, you know, take lessons, keep practicing. You have such a bright future if you keep doing that. Make sure you practice. Awesome, Anaisha. Thank you so much.
Wow, it was lovely.
It was amazing.
Brilliant, very nice. For the third person for our tonight's show is a very small girl, 5 years old, I think she is.
Exactly, 5 years old.
You know, we all question our parents, what will I be when I grow up? Or we question ourselves when we grow up, what's going to happen next?
Yeah.
That's exactly what she's going to sing to us for.
Yeah, she's singing Ke
Yeah.
Sara Sara by Doris Day.
Wow.
Whatever will be, will be.
Exactly.
So-
आजकल कोरोना का जमाना है, क्या मालूम होने वाला है.
So let's hear
Stay
Jia
safe.
Damania.
Hello, I'm Jia Damania. I'm 5 years old. I'm going to sing Ke Sara Sara. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she says to me. Ke Sara Sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. When I grew young and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead. Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be.
Hi, Gia. This is Sandeep. Thank you so much for singing Que Sara Sara, whatever will be, will be. I thought you did amazing. I enjoyed every moment of it. I love the word pretty when you sang that. That was amazingly done. Thank you so much for performing for us. Please keep learning. Please keep singing. And you have such a bright future. I mean, you're so young and you're singing these kind of songs. I just wish you all the best. And I absolutely enjoyed your performance. Great. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a cute, lovely performance. I love that crown on her head. Do you see it? Brilliant.
She's too cute.
Wow. For the fourth person for tonight's show is going to perform something classical. I'm not a classical guy. I'm a very modernist. Look at me, my hairstyle and everything. I don't know much of classical. My sir's going to tell me, Karthik sir, maaf karo. I just know a little bit of sa. I know a little bit of su. And one sasu that I know, let it be. That's okay. I think Himali, you talk about the next one.
Yeah, that was on a lighter note, but Arav Chandarana is singing a bandish in Rag Bihag. And classical is the base for singing, dear my friend. So
Good.
we hear a bandish on this Rag Bihag, and he's singing in a Vilambit lay, which is a very slow tal.
Wow.
So I think it's a different act. Let's enjoy Arav Chandarana.
My name is Arav Chandarana. I am 11 years old. I am going to sing Rag Bihag Bada Pyara. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa ma ga pa pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa nindiya naach lagai uchat gayi nena amad mate chavi chhai राग के अनुराग की सुरमई रैन के आंगन में रस राग माधवी निकल भाई मेहंदिया नाच लगाई सानी सा सा गा रे सा नी सा मा गा पा पा मा पा गा मा गा रे सा मेहंदिया नाच लगाई Gama pa ma ga re sa ni sa gama pa sa ga ga re sa ni re sa ni pa ni sa re ni sa gama ga pa ma ga re sa ni sa gama pa ga ni ni ga pa ma ga ma pa ni sa pa ga ga re sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga 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 re sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga 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 re sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga ga nindiya naach lagai.
Nice to see young boys like Arav singing classical. Well done, Arav. I'll just like to tell you something. With lot of riyaz, you can try and reach the higher notes, so it will sound much more melodious.
Wow, that was too much. I can't do all this classical. Any which ways, for the next performance tonight is gonna be. See, these troubled times are very bad. What do you need the most to heal this planet of ours?
Prayers.
Remember how brilliant singer and a brilliant performer was Michael Jackson? He sang this song in 1991 in his album of Dangerous. The song was Heal the World. We need this the most now, really. Honestly, you're this guy. It's brilliant.
Yeah, we need to heal me, you, and the entire universe.
Of course.
So we have Ayana Mehta. She's just 7 years old, and she's bringing this beautiful song for you all. Let's hear her.
Let's hear it. Look.
Hi, my name is Ayana Mehta. I am 7 years old and today I am going to sing the song Heal the World. I want to sing this song because in these bad coronavirus times, people are dying, people are suffering, people are falling ill. I wish that I could wave my magical wand all around this world and shoo away all the coronavirus and make this world a happy place again. Thank you. There's a place in your heart and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. And there are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space. Make a better place. Heal the world. Make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. You want to know why? There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Here or there, we stop existing and start living. And then it feels that always love and love first growing. So make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Thank you.
Hi Ayana, this is Sandeep. I absolutely enjoyed your performance. You've selected an amazing song by the great Michael Jackson. It amazes me that you're so little and you're selecting a Michael Jackson song. So that just blew me away. And secondly, I loved how you opened up and how you started talking about what's happening around the world. And yes, this is an apt song. This is a perfect song for what's happening around us right now. And your performance was amazing. Your performance was just really nice, and you were enjoying yourself. And that's what we need to do when we're singing. We should just enjoy yourself. I loved it, and I'm going to say, keep learning, keep singing, and keep singing such beautiful songs. Thank you so much, Ayana. God bless you.
Wow, that was a prayer. I hope it's heard very soon. We really need it in these times.
We do.
The next singer is brilliant. I saw her once when I was doing an audition in Kharjum Khana Singers Club. I told the other judges, this girl is the next Indian Idol. She's superb. You must hear her. I'm sure she's going to win a lot more amount of competitions. She's, I think, a bundle of talent. She's brilliant. I'm sure she's going to win Saregama, she's going to win Indian Idol. Love this girl. Brilliant.
Yes, he's talking about Ananya Boyle, who trains from Guru Kartik Prasad. and she also trains from a school teacher. Her name is Paribhasha Valmiki, and I must say she's singing a very classical song. Yeah,
Wow.
again a classical number.
I love Karan songs.
And she's done many stage shows, and she sings in our singers club also.
Of course.
And she's got a lovely voice, and she's a star in making.
अनन्या एक ड्यूएट बनता है अपना, भूल मत जाना या ऑटोग्राफ देके जाना when you become big time.
Let's hear Ananya Boyer.
मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी, जिंदा रहेगी होके फना। तनननतो 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 ताने ताने तेरे तेरे ना, मेरे ढोलना मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। तेरे गेसों के साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है, तेरे बगैर क्या जीना, तेरे रोम रोम में तू है, तेरी चूड़ियों के खत खत से तेरी सदाएं आती है। ये दूरियां हमेशा है, नजदीक हम बुलाती है ओ पिया। सानी धा निधा मग सानी धानी सा गा मा। मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना
Ananya, first, congratulations for singing and attempting such a difficult song. Singing this song on track is not easy, but you did it very well, and your expressions and feel were very good. Keep it up. All the best.
Wow, what a brilliant performance. She's too good, man. These kids are really good nowadays. Including the next one. This guy is super talented, man.
Yeah.
He can sing, he plays the guitar and the tabla.
Yes.
I mean, at his age, I couldn't even bloody tie my shoelace properly. Yeah? And imagine these guys doing all this. Brilliant.
Yeah.
I'm too impressed.
So we have Arav Lakhanpal. He's 12 years old. And yes, as he said, English, Hindi, kuch bhi ga sakte ho. So he's singing an English song, Demons, by famous band Imagine Dragons.
And he's played the guitar in that too.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
brilliant.
let's hear Arav Lakhanpal.
When the days are cold and goodbye, all food and the things we see are all made of gold. When your seems all fair and the one we hit are the worst of all, and the blood runs stale. I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the reason there's nowhere we can hide. No matter where we breathe, there's still a green of free. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Don't get too close, it's dark inside. It's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Don't get too close, it's dark inside. It's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. As the sudden skull is the last of all, when the lights fade out and the sinners go, so they dug your grave in the masquerade will come calling out at the mess you made. I wanna hide, don't wanna let you down, but I'm hellbound. No, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide you too. No matter where we breathe, there's still some made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. You feel my heat. Look into my eyes. This is my demon's heart. This is my demon's heart. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Hey Arav, this is Sandeep. I just heard your song by Imagine Dragons. I thought you did amazing. You know, firstly, you selected a great song, and most importantly, you were not only singing, but you also playing the guitar, which a lot of people don't realize. It's so difficult to do. It's very difficult to actually, play any instrument and sing. I thought you were enjoying yourself. You did great. So keep singing, keep playing the guitar, and you're going to be a rock star. Thanks a lot, Arav.
Wow, this guy's too good. Did you see? Lovely guitaring also.
Amazing.
अरे हमारे इंडिया में बहुत टैलेंट है.
Of course.
भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है.
Can we stop him? Naushad, please.
I didn't think.
Let this brilliant kids perform in front of us. The next song is presented by Vivan Mordani, and he's singing a song on our country.
Wow.
And he's just 7 years old, learning from Ajivasan Academy.
Oh.
And you'll love his song.
Let's see.
So let him sing and let everybody enjoy his song.
I love my country, so any song on my country is.
Yes, Vivan Mordani for you all.
मेरा नाम विवान मोरदानी. प्यारा है देश मेरा, प्यारा है भारत देश मेरा. ओ बंगाली में बोलो बाबू, बंगाली में बोलो रे. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি, रसगुल्ला जी. प्यारा है देश मेरा, प्यारा है भारत देश मेरा. ओ गुजराती में बोलो, गुजराती में बोलो भाई, गुजराती में बोलो रे, केम छो रे, आवजो रे, प्यारा है देश मेरा, प्यारा है भारत देश मेरा। ओ पंजाबी में बोलो पाजी, पंजाबी में बोलो जी, की गल रे, बल्ले रे, प्यारा है देश मेरा, प्यारा है भारत देश मेरा। ओ मराठी में बोलो, मराठी बोलो भाऊ, मराठी बोलो या, कस काय रे, बरहो रे, प्यारा है देश मेरा, प्यारा है भारत देश मेरा। ओ सिंधी में बोलो काका, सिंधी में बोलो रे, आयो झूलेलाल, धन्यवाद।
दीवान बहुत ही प्यारा बच्चा, बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट, सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट। पेट्रियाटिक सॉन्ग चूज किया। मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि पेट्रियाटिक सॉन्ग्स थोड़े से मुश्किल होते हैं गाने के लिए, बिकॉज उसमें गाने के लिए वो जज्बा होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो उसने वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली गाया है, हर एक लैंग्वेज यूज करी है। आई थिंक गुजराती भी है, पंजाबी भी है, मराठी भी है, हिंदी भी है, और उसका डिक्शन ऑफ एवरी लैंग्वेज इज सुपर्ब। एंड हर एक लैंग्वेज में याद करना और उसको प्रेजेंट करना, ही इज जस्ट अमेजिंग। और बहुत ही मजा आया उसको सुन के, एंड आप लोग भी बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे।
Wow, Himali, did you see the performance by our kids? Brilliant, मजा आ गया, बहुत बढ़िया। तूने पार्ट लिया क्या?
No.
मैंने भी नहीं लिया, पर हम लोग दोस्त लोग ने लिया है।
Yes, many of them.
Of course, my age group. I know you're only 19, but
thank
at
you.
least let's see the other people from my age group. That is from just where I've reached 21 to the next 54. We should see everyone in the floor. So now the next group is between 21 to 54. Let's go on. Himali, this group which is 21 to 54, we're going to kick it off. You know, we all pray to God, but we have gods on earth.
Yes.
And that's doctors.
Of course.
And we have one amongst us who sings brilliantly. Her name is Aradhna.
Aradhna Seth.
You know, and she's going to perform for us this first song.
Yeah. Aradhna is a homeopathy doctor, and she works, and actually she is the founder of Senior Citizen Daytime Care Center, which is called Barista.
Oh yeah, she does a lot of work in there. Brilliant.
She is amazing at her work. She learns from Pandit Guru Kartik Prasad.
Oh yeah.
And she loves singing soft and songs with feel. So she's presenting one of them for us today.
Okay. Good.
From movie Maine Pyar Kiya, and she's singing Aate Jaate for us.
हम सब ने प्यार किया बहुत।
And the music.
Start.
आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, वो पहली नजर हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार। रुकती चलना चलती रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार। सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मेरे मन में कई बार, होठों की कली कुछ और खिली, ये दिल पे हुआ है किसका इख्तियार। तुम कौन हो बतला तो दो, क्यों करने लगी मैं तुम पे एतबार। खामोश रहूं या मैं कह दूं, या कर लूं मैं चुपके से स्वीकार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया।
आराधना जी ने बहुत ही प्यारा, बहुत ही रोमांटिक सॉन्ग चूज़ किया है, विच इज़ सूटिंग हर वॉइस अलॉट। एंड उनकी आवाज़ में जो एक खास बात मैंने नोटिस करी है दैट आई थिंक शी हैज़ अ नेचुरल विब्राटो इन हर वॉइस which she can utilize in particular songs very very well. So I think she should choose the songs according to her voice, and she should just continue doing this practice, and I think she'll do great.
Wow, that was a sweet pill of homeopathy. Yeah, brilliant. For the next song, I love this guy, man. He's a brilliant guy, fantastic human being, rock star, karaoke star, जो भी बोलो, और वो है मेरा यार, हरीश.
Yeah, we have Harish Lalwani. He sings in our Kharjam Khana Singers Club also. And you can say he's a karaoke king.
Yeah, of course.
He's actually written this song, sung this song.
Wow.
He's re-edited a bit in this song, but this song is based on the current situation of COVID.
Yeah.
So I really like that performance.
And it's taken from the very famous South Indian song,
Yeah.
Kolaveri Dee.
Why this Kolaveri Dee? So let's enjoy
Lovely.
Harish Lalwani.
Why this COVID days? Maintain please. Why this COVID again? Distance keep mask tight lockdown bar shut. Night life jag. Why this COVID days? Why this COVID days? White chini meat, rat cat bat, rice dal you meat. Why future dark? Why this COVID days? Why this COVID days? Mama, what are you? Yoga pranayama देखो, घर में रहे, very nice. Super mama, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Style soap, only English. Hand soap la wash, 22nd dear. Lovely life, overcome, life reversal gear. Love, oh my love, you showed me how. Jadu hab, ocha hab, jatan poli kav. God, I am dying now, call the boy now. This song for lockdown boys, we don't have choice. Why this COVID?
हरेश जी का सॉन्ग था कोलावेरी डी। एक तो सॉन्ग इतना पेपी, टोटली मजेदार, ऊपर से उन्होंने जो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डाली है, उन्होंने कोविड के रिलेटेड जो करंट सिचुएशन है उसके रिलेटेड जो उन्होंने मैसेज दिया है, आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट अमेजिंग। आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा सुन के, कुछ सीखने को भी मिलेगा इनफैक्ट। एंड गाने में ऑब्वियसली जो मैसेज दिया है वो तो सुनने लायक ही है, और उनका जो ऑडियंस कम्युनिकेशन रहा है, ऐसा लगता है उनको सुन के कि वो आपके लिए ही गा रहे हैं, आपको ही पर्सनली मैसेज दे रहे हैं। सो आई थिंक एक अच्छा गायक वही होता है जो पर्सनली आपसे कनेक्ट कर सके। जब वो गाए तो सुनने वाले को ये लगे कि उनके लिए ही गा रहा है। So I think he's done complete justice to the song, and the message has been too good. He was great.
All right, lovely Harry, too good. What a performance! Great, love this. For the next performance, we have someone doing shukar. अपने मन को, किसके मन को?
We have Reshma Mirchandani. She's got lovely voice. She learns from Guru Mrs. Kavita Sahani, and she's done many stage shows also. She's singing a beautiful song, "Chukar Mere Man Ko Kiya Tune Kya Ishara."
Wow!
And this song is actually, the music is given by Rajesh Roshan. And
Ritik Sankala.
Yeah, let's enjoy this super song by Reshma Mirchandani.
Great.
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदलाए मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। तू जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोलों पे लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं, मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, खुशियाँ जहाँ भर की तुझको नजर कर दूं, तुझको नजर कर दूं। तू ही मेरा जीवन, तू ही जीने का सहारा। छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। बदला ये मौसम, लगे प्यारा जग सारा। छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। किया तूने क्या इशारा। किया तूने क्या इशारा।
Reshma Mirchandani. There are some songs which always touch our hearts and soul, and Chukar Mere Man Ko is one of that song. And I must say, you were so happy singing this song, and which lifted my spirits too. Congratulations.
Oh, great performance. For the next performance tonight is a guy who's going to sing about love. And we all know लोग दीवाने होते हैं, मस्ताने होते हैं, और वो भी प्यार में होते हैं. But only thing I don't understand, why does everyone say you fall in love? No one says you rise in love.
Actually, we rise in love.
अच्छा, क्या बात?
Yeah, the next song is presented by Shailesh Jeswani, and he's singing प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है.
क्या बात?
It's a beautiful song by Kishorda, and the lyrics are by Anand Bakshi, and the music is given by R.D. Burman.
Oh, lovely. I love it.
It's a classic song. Let's enjoy from Shailesh Jeswani.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है। हर खुशी से, हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है। हर खुशी से, हर गम से बेगाना होता है। क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ। क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ। वो नहीं सुनता, उसको जल जाना होता है। हर खुशी से, हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है। हर खुशी से, हर गम से बेगाना होता है। रहे कोई 100 पर्दों में, डरे शर्म से, नजर अजी आँख चुराए कोई सनम से। रहे कोई 100 पर्दों में, डरे शर्म से, नजर अजी आँख चुराए कोई सनम से। किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरे महबूब। सुनो किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरे महबूब। वो झलक जाता है जो पैमाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है।
Shailesh Jeswani, what a lovely retro song, and we all have grown up hearing the song, and you just did amazing performance with the rhythm, with complete moods. Thank you.
Lovely melodious song. Yeah. Great, very nice. The next singer, very talented girl. She not only sings, she's a professional cake maker and brilliant at that too. She does classical singing, classical cake making, and what have you. Even plays a sitar, I think, no? Karthik sir ke saath mein she learned.
Yeah, she plays Tanpura.
Wow.
She's my friend Sheetal Ratwani. She's bringing another classical song. It's a rag based song.
Oh.
And she learns from Guru Karthik Prasad. She's learning from past 7 years.
Wow.
This song is a very famous song, Moh Moh Ke Dhage.
अरे यार क्या गाना है. Love it.
And it's actually based on 2 rags. It's Rag Yaman and Rag Pure Dhanashe.
Phenomenal song.
It's got a beautiful blend of these 2 rags.
Yeah.
And it's the most amazing and melodious song I've ever heard. And
Wow.
even there's a male singer, Papon, who sang.
Papon sang it and he's produced.
Yeah. So let's hear Sheetal Ratwani.
मोह मोह के तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई डोहरा लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे। है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे। जा उलझे, कोई डोहरा लागे, किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे। गम प म प ध म प म ग ग ग म ग ग ग सा ग ग ग म प ध ध ध नि ध ध प ग रि रि सा 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 ग ग म म ध प ग म प सा ग मद प म ग रे सा नि द द द नि 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 रे 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 ग ग ग म ध म सा 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 नि ध म प ध नि सा 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 नि ध म प ध नि सा 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 नि ध म प ध नि सा। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना।
Hello, Sheetalji. This is Sandeep. I just heard your song, Momo Ke Dage. Firstly, thanks a lot for singing this song. It's an amazing song that you selected. One of my favorite songs, too. And I like the fact that you were just using the tanpura and enjoying yourself. A lot of us would actually play this to a track and then, try to sing to it. I think you did great. You were enjoying yourself. You were having fun and you were immersed in the song. If I had to give you some feedback, then I would just say that just pay attention to some of the high notes and also the feel. I felt that some places the feel was great, some places it could have been better. But overall, I enjoyed your performance. So, happy singing, keep singing and have fun. Thanks a lot.
Wow, great performance, Sheetal. Damn good, lovely
Lovely.
song, I loved. The next performer for tonight is Pawan Thadani. A lot of us are learning with Karthik sir. I'm sure you've been learning for many years. I've been learning. You learn from many other gurus. I just learned from Karthik sir. But there are a lot of other singers who don't learn from anyone but end up singing brilliantly. Our next guy, Pawan, has been doing this in quite some time. Makes all these videos on different kind of channels which you get on YouTube and all. And I think it's a brilliant thing. The song is also brilliant. Have you heard it?
Beautiful. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं जो आरज़ू जगाऊं. And it's got wonderful lyrics by Javed Akhtar. Let's enjoy this lovely song.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं कदम तुम जहां जहां रखो. ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं सितारों से सजाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं तितलियों के पीछे भागूं, मैं जुगनुओं के पीछे जाऊं. ये रंग है वो रोशनी है तुम्हारे पास दोनों लाऊं. जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले, हाँ जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले मैं लाऊं वहाँ पे कि तुम हो जहाँ जहाँ पे एक पल भी ठहरूं. मैं गुलसिता बनाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. अगर कहूँ तो मैं सुनाऊं तुम्हें हंसी कहानियाँ, सुनोगी क्या मेरी ज़बानी, तुम एक परी की दास्तां, या मैं करूं तुमसे बयां, हाँ या मैं करूं तुमसे बयां, कि राजा से रानी मिली थी कहाँ कहानियों के नगर में, तुम्हें लेके जाऊं अगर तुम कहो, तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो, ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों पे सजाऊं अगर तुम कहो, मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो, हाँ अगर तुम कहो।
पवन जी ने बहुत ही क्यूट सॉन्ग चूज किया है, मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं, एंड जितनी प्यारी उनकी स्माइल है उतना ही प्यारा उन्होंने गाने को निभाया है, एंड उनकी वॉइस क्वालिटी इज वेरी गुड, एंड आई थिंक उन्होंने अपनी वॉइस के मुताबिक जो सॉन्ग चूज किया है, इट हैज बीन अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट डिसीजन, सो ही इज डन ग्रेट, एंड आई थिंक आप लोग को बहुत मजा आएगा उनको सुनने में।
Wow, so soothing and nice. Lovely.
Lovely.
The next singer, just do it. You must hear her. Me and you sing, we do hobby singing, don't we? But this girl is big time. She's a singing professional, and she does so many shows. People love her. You will love her once you hear her voice. You know who I'm talking about?
Yeah, I'm sure even our Kharjum Khana friends know.
Actually, it's an honor, you know, when we share
Yeah.
stage space with her. Lovely.
Exactly.
I mean, I really love singing.
Exactly.
She never done a duet with me, but standing on the same stage with her is brilliant.
Yeah,
Honor.
he's talking about Manisha Jetwani. She's got a super melodious voice. She trains from two gurus, Guru Kartik Prasad ji and Guru Dayal Thakur ji. And that's seen in her songs too. It's been witnessed in her songs actually. She's singing a classic song by Lata ji tonight for us.
Wow.
It's from movie Chirag, and the lyrics are Majroo Sultanpuri.
Great.
A rare combination and a beautiful combination. And the music is by Madan Mohan. I'm sure you'll enjoy. It's a treat for all of you tonight.
Great. I'm looking forward. Brilliant.
तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, ये उठी सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा
रखा क्या है, ये उठी सुबह चली, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन पलकों के तले, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है।
Manisha ji, 3 words for you. Lovely song, excellent expressions and wonderful gaiki. Thoroughly enjoyed your performance. Good luck.
Wow, what a performance. She's too good, man.
I told you.
Manisha, हमारे साथ कभी duet तो गाया यार. Anyways, moving on to the next contestant this evening is Rishi Oswal. He's too good. Brilliant guy, very nice human being, and like many people call him, the best looking Marwadi and the only V-shaped Marwadi in Gymkhana. What a body. All girls run up to look at him in the Gymkhana, in the gymnasium. But hearing him singing, wow, I never knew this, Rishi. You're too good, man. Brilliant, keep it up.
And he's singing song of your favorite singer, Arijit Singh.
Oh, I love it.
He's bringing a lovely song from Kabir Singh. Guess तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
क्या बात
It's a
है,
beautiful
क्या गाना है,
song,
too good.
and he sings to be relaxed. So we also get relaxed with his lovely singing. Rishi Oswal for the world.
बह ही गया इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, तुझको मुझे यूं सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की लब सुन की सच कह रहा, तेरी कसम तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम। इस जगह गई चाहते अब मेरी, छीन लूंगा तुम्हें सारी दुनिया से ही, तेरे इश्क पे हाँ हक मेरा ही तो है, कह दिया है ये मैंने मेरे रब से भी, जिस रास्ते तू ना चले उस पे कदम मेरे न हो, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम। थैंक यू।
ऋषि ओसवाल जी, आप, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि कोई तो है जो नए गाने भी गा रहा है. सो आई जस्ट लव दिस सॉन्ग. इज लाइक वैसे ही मौसम आजकल बारिश और इन सब का है, तो ऐसे गाने तो सुनने में और भी अच्छे लगते हैं. और आई मस्ट से आप कबीर सिंह जैसा लुक भी कैरी कर रहे हैं और आपने बहुत पैशनेटली गाना गाया है. कीप इट अप सर, कीप इट अप.
क्या बात ऋषि, क्या गाया यार. देखा, superb singer and phenomenal human being. Good guy. The next singer tonight is Meghna. She's going to sing a fantastic ghazal by one of the legends of Indian music, Jagjit Singh ji.
Yes. She's Meghna Rajgor and she learns from Guru Kartik Prasad, and she's got very melodious voice, and this ghazal is also very beautiful.
Yeah, it's too good.
I'm sure. So let's, and I have to mention this. Her mother-in-law just passed away a few days back. It was really sad, but she participated because she wanted to dedicate this ghazal to her mom-in-law. That's too sweet of Meghna. And I'm sure this will take us back to our childhood days.
Yeah,
And
good.
bring a
So-
big white smile on our faces.
Lovely.
That's what we need.
Great.
Let's enjoy
What a
Meghna
song.
Rajgor.
ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझे को लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। मोहल्ले की सबसे निशानी पुरानी, वो बुढ़िया जिसे बच्चे कहते थे नानी, वो नानी की बातों पे परियों का डेरा, वो चेहरे की झुर्रियों में सदियों का फेरा, बुलाए नहीं भूल सकता है कोई, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। कभी रेत के ऊंचे टीलों पे जाना, घरौंदे बनाना, बना के मिटाना, वो मासूम चाहत की तस्वीर अपनी, वो ख्वाबों खिलौनों की जागीर अपनी, न दुनिया का गम था न रिश्तों के बंधन, बड़ी खूबसूरत थी वो जिंदगानी। ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझे को लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो टूटी हुई चूड़ियों की निशानी, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, बड़ी खूबसूरत थी वो जिंदगानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। थैंक यू।
मेघना राजगौर, आपने इतना प्यारा गाना उठाया है which I'm sure each of us can relate with the childhood memories. Thank you very much.
Wow, what a song. Lovely. I love it.
Very
The next singer is very talented. This boy has a lot of great future. Brilliant. I love this guy. Since the day I saw him in the Kharjum Khana Singers Club audition, very good. I didn't know him. I know his father since so many years. We used to open for Kharjum Khana and cricket. You know, we used to back together in the beginning. And he played cricket with my son too. He was my son's captain in his school team, some under 16 or something, whatever it was. Brilliant guy, but the way he sings, a lot of future, man. Brilliant. Must hear his next song.
Yeah, by now you must have guessed rightly. It's Sagar Majroomdar.
Yeah.
And he's getting a very old classic song for all of us.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
very different from the genre he normally sings.
yeah, he's quite young, but getting this lovely song from movie Taj Mahal.
Yeah, and he's played the guitar in that too, you know.
Yeah,
He's
let's
quite
enjoy this beautiful number by Sagar Majroomdar.
Go for it.
Hi, my name is Sagar. I'm 25 years old and I'm very, very excited to send across my entry for the KG Talent League. I'm going to be singing the song Jo Wada Kiya Wo from the movie Taj Mahal. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and I hope you guys like the song. Thank you. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, रोके ज़माना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, निभाना पड़ेगा। हम अपनी वफा पे ना इल्जाम लेंगे, तुम्हें दिल दिया है तुम्हें जान भी देंगे। जब इश्क का सौदा किया फिर क्या घबराना, हमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। तरसती निगाहों ने आवाज दी है, मोहब्बत की राहों ने आवाज दी है। जाने हया जाने अदा छोड़ो तरसाना, हमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। रोके ज़माना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, निभाना पड़ेगा।
Hey Sagar, this is Sandeep. When you first announced the song, Jo Wada Kiya Wo Nibhana Padega, I was like, okay, let's check this out, because at least I don't know a lot of people who would sing that song in a competition. But when you started singing and playing, I was absolutely enjoying every moment of it. The song absolutely goes with your tonal quality, and I think you've got a great voice. It's very different. Also, you were doing a lot of things in a lot of places, which were really nice. And you were also very careful about the Urdu pronunciation. So I think it was fantastic. It was done really nicely. And I just want to say all the best. Keep singing, keep playing. You're going to go places. Thanks a lot, Sagar.
Wow, Sagar, brilliant, man. Keep it up.
Amazing.
The next singer, I know for so many years, Vidya House, Rishi and she. Very good. I never knew they sing so well. I would have made a music room for you guys, yeah? Brilliant. Really nice. Any which ways. Surprised to see this and very happy. Lovely singing, yeah.
Yeah, really happy to present Madhulika Oswal ji for you today, and she's singing a beautiful number by Anuradha Podwal ji, Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi. It's a very lovely romantic song, and she told me कुछ period का थोड़ा गाना था, engagement वाला, तब की memories है ये गाने में. So let's get it back. Let's hear it for. Let's get it back for her and get it back for us too. Let's enjoy.
Yeah, great.
तुमसे जुदा हो, आओ कुछ ऐसा करें, मुझ में समा जा, आस आ जा, हमदम मेरे हमनशी, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, दिल है कि मानता नहीं।
मधुलिका जी ने बहुत ही रोमांटिक सॉन्ग चूज किया है, वन ऑफ माय पर्सनल फेवरेट्स, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, एंड शी संग इट ब्यूटिफुली, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली गाया है, उनकी वॉइस क्वालिटी भी सॉन्ग को सूट करती है, एंड आई थिंक शी इज बीन सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट, शी इज बीन ग्रेट.
Wow, Madhulika, superb, yeah. Never knew such lovely talent you had. Great, keep it up.
Lovely.
Keep going. The next singer for tonight is Aparna. Do you know she's an international star? She stays abroad and she does a lot of shows out there. She in fact performed for our beloved Modi ji, our beloved Prime Minister of the country, whom we all love and revere. And she performed for him. I mean, I'm honored.
Aparna ne, it's beautiful ghazal and a quite unheard one, but they presented it beautifully.
Yeah.
I'm sure you all will enjoy it.
No, she's a very good singer. She's done a show for us in Kharjum Khana also when we were singing in Singers Club.
Yeah.
She's very good. Keep it up.
Let's enjoy Aparna.
अब नया कोई भी मंजर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, अब नया कोई भी मंजर दिल को बहलाता नहीं, बीती यादों का ही मौसम लौट कर जाता नहीं, अब नया कोई भी मंजर दिल को बहलाता नहीं।
Aparna Gulati ji. I am so impressed with the complete setup, the studio, the backdrop colors, and your complete dressing sense, and of course the ghazal which you chose was outstanding. Keep it up.
Wow, what a lovely performance. Great. No wonder Indian performances are adored in countries outside.
Yeah,
India.
true.
Lovely. Very nice. Did you see the storm the other day?
It was quite scary.
Yeah, it's like bin mausam barsat. In fact, the next song and the last song for this evening is all about the same thing. It's rains and it's raindrops.
Yeah, it's a lot more. The next singer is Hriday Ahuja.
Oh, yeah.
He's singing this song and he believes that let's be very optimistic in life. So this song lyrics, and it's a love song. So he believes let's be optimistic and forget all the negative part in life.
Yeah.
So let's hope.
The rain's gonna come and wash off all the negativity.
Exactly. Let's enjoy Hriday Ahuja.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, and nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done. He's sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. It cries out for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. It cries out for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
हृदय जी ने अपने वॉइस क्वालिटी के हिसाब से सॉन्ग चूज़ किया है, सो ही इज़ डन एन इंटेलिजेंट थिंग, एंड हिज ऑडियंस कम्युनिकेशन वाज आल्सो गुड, एंड इनका सॉन्ग प्रिपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छा है, कॉन्फिडेंस से गाया है, और उनको देख के, उनको इंजॉय करते हुए देख के, गाते हुए बहुत मज़ा आया, एंड अच्छा लगा उनको।
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you
Hi guys, Pooja here again.
And this is Purnima. Hi everyone.
Don't go anywhere, क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
मेरे दोस्त. So guys, we're here today to announce a very special category. Along with our members, we also have our staff. They have taken an active interest in Kharjum Khana's Talent League, and they have also sent their performances. So Pooja, why don't you start off by introducing our very first participant? Who is she?
Awesome. You know, the first participant is Priyanka Salunke. She is daughter of Praveen Salunke, and he is serving Kharjum Khana for past 7 years.
Wow.
You must have seen him around.
I'm sure I must have seen him around. What is she singing?
She's singing one of my favorites. And it's a song by Lata Mangeshkar from the movie Wo Jo Hasina.
Wow, I'm super excited.
And guys, to add to it, she has no formal training in singing whatsoever. She is singing only from school days.
Super excited to hear her sing.
You go, Priyanka.
Hello, good evening. This is Priyanka Praveen Saunke and I'm excited to be participate in Kharjimkhana Talent League. Hope you like my song Lag Ja Gale. Thank you.
This is Priyanka Saunke and I am singing Lag Ja Gale song. Lag ja gale ki fir hasi raat ho na ho, shayad फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात लग जा गले से। Thank you.
Hey Priyanka, this is Sandeep. I was just listening to your song Lag Ja Gale. Firstly, thanks for singing this song. This is a song that everyone likes to sing. It's not the most easiest songs, and you did really well. There are a few sections you were sounding really good, and then the other sections, they were a little shaky. I'm sure you know that. So my only suggestion to you would be, practice a lot. If you're not already learning from someone, then I would highly recommend you learn from someone. But you got a good tone. I like your tone. And that tone can be really, really polished, and you'll sound even better, and you'll sing much, much more difficult songs. I'm sure of that. So thank you again. And it was a beautiful song that you sang, and all the best for everything you do. Thank you.
Didn't I tell you, Purnima?
Well, Pooja, you were right.
So, whom do we have next?
Well, next we have Kharjimkhana's very own Arijit Singh, Amit Shetty. He's been with Kharjimkhana for 7 years now as a clerk.
Wow, and what is he singing?
He'll be singing a song from the movie Kalank by Arijit Singh. Aren't you excited?
I can't wait.
Do you think he can match Priyanka's tunes?
Let's see.
Let's find out.
हाय नमस्ते खारजिमखाना, मेरा नाम है अमित शेट्टी और मैं खारजिमखाना स्टाफ हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे 2030 में जॉब कर रहा हूँ एज अ एडमिन क्लर्क। और आप लोग मुझे कहीं ना कहीं देखे होंगे और इस खारजिमखाना टैलेंट लीग में पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिला, इसके लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और मैंने क्लासेस यहाँ से इंडियन म्यूजिकल क्लासेस फ्रॉम दादर यहाँ से क्लासेस लिए सिंगिंग के लिए। और इस शाम का मेरा चुना हुआ गाना है ये है कि कलंक फिल्म का जो अरिजीत सिंह ने गाया हुआ टाइटल सॉन्ग है। हवाओं में बढ़ेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी मैं तेरा बादल पिया, जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी मैं तेरा पागल पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा एक हीर जैसी, ना जाने जमाना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया,
कलंक नहीं, इश्क है काजल पिया। Thank you.
Hey Amit, this is Sandeep. I heard your song and absolutely loved it. What I loved about it most was when you started singing, you kind of went back and you were immersed in it. And that's very important. A lot of us sometimes what happens is we get so critical about like, okay, we got to sing this part right and get that harakat right and this, you know, and that is extremely important, absolutely. But a lot of people sometimes forget that soul is the goal. That's my motto I use over here when I record a lot of people over here. I record myself. Soul is the goal, you know, connecting the soul. That's very important. And I thought you were enjoying yourself, and that's very important. Of course, there's a few sections in the song. I'm sure when you go back and listen, you could have done a lot better. But I think that'll just come with practice and you'll improve. And if you're not already taking lessons, I would highly recommend you do that. But overall, I loved your voice and I loved your performance. Thanks a lot.
Wow, awesome.
Too good.
So Pooja, tell us, who won? Come on, tell us.
So guys, we have a tie here.
Wow, super cool. Congratulations, Priyanka.
Congratulations, Amit.
So, both of you enjoy the gift voucher by Kharjum Khana for KG Talent League. And guys, with that, we've come to the end of the night. This is to invite you for the grand finale.
So, see you again tomorrow, 30th May 2021. Tune in at 7 p.m. sharp. Until then,
this is Purnima bidding you good night.
And this is Pooja saying good night.
Till then, stay home.
Stay safe.
See you. Mwah.